Welcome back. Now, the Karnataka unit of the Congress got a new president as B.K. Hariprasad took over as the new state party chief. But while one would expect the attention to be on B.K. Hariprasad, it was the Congress party president Mallikarjun Kharge who made headlines instead. Now, the Congress president, who apparently lost his cool during the event, what has now been said that chants were raised in favor of D.K. Shivkumar, and this had visibly irked. Now, as far as the Congress party president is concerned, he asked that very section of the supporters there to keep quiet, and useless fellows seems to be the term that has been used. Now, this is a development coming at a time when Mallikarjun Kharge seems to be upset as the supporters of Karnataka Chief Minister repeatedly raised slogans in his favor.
ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಸುಮ್ಮನಾಗ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಡೀ ದೇಶ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಾಗ ಬಂದಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಯೂಸ್ಲೆಸ್ ಫೆಲೋಸ್. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇದು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷದ ಇದು ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಪಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದುಗೂಡಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದು. ಯಾರೇ ಒಬ್ರು ಒಂದು ಹೇಳೋದು, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಒಂದು ಕೂಗೋದು, ಬಾಕಿಯವ್ರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಾರ, ಕಸ ಗೂಡ್ಸಕ್ ಬಂದಾರ ಬಂಧುಗಳೇ.
Now there is a reaction coming in from Priyank Kharge, who is the state home minister now, and Mallikarjun Kharge losing his cool at the party meeting over the workers chanting D.K. Shivkumar's slogans there. And what is now, Priyank Kharge responding to, saying that Mallikarjun Kharge is in the position, in the topmost position for the party, and if anyone is pulled up for discipline, he has the right to do it, as he's the senior most leader of the party and he's the AICC president, saying that he can pull up even the chief minister or the former chief minister and any other party worker. Let's connect with Imran on this. Imran, good afternoon. Because as far as Priyank Kharge's reaction is coming in, saying that nobody is actually taking offense for that, but why did Mallikarjun Kharge get upset in the first place?
Well, absolutely. In fact, that was the taking over charge of the KPCC President B.K. Hariprasad event, and that led to many issues, like one with couple of students losing out on their exams yesterday indeed. And during the event, one was when the AICC President Mallikarjun Kharge stood up to speak. There were a section of Congress workers chanting DK, DK, and that's got riled up the AICC president, saying that they have to maintain discipline. It is for the party, it's not for any individual, however big that individual might be. And he said that afterwards, including we see that Surjewala and DK also tried to assuage the workers to not to chant DK, DK. But it went on for some time, and the AICC president lashed out at the workers, saying that to take disciplinary action against those who are not stopping chanting
DK. Priyank Kharge seems to be downplaying it, saying that he is the senior most party leader, he's the AICC president, and nobody should be offended with that take. In the meantime, thank you, Imran, for joining in. The BJP is adding twist to this development, saying that Kharge's comments, and especially when it comes to the pro-DK Shivkumar chants that were being raised, clearly shows the divide within the Congress party, even after the troubled struggle between DK Shivkumar and Siddaramaiah that ended.
It is very clear and evident that Karnataka Pradesh Congress party suffers from infight always. Whether it was Chief Minister Siddaramaiah versus then KPCC President D.K. Shivkumar, now Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar versus KPCC President B.K. Hariprasad. Kharge has openly criticized and acknowledged that the Karnataka Pradesh Congress party does not work as a party itself, but as party with lot of coalitions.